Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link resume on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To link your resume on Squarespace, you can either upload a PDF of your resume and link it on your website, or maybe link to an external site where your resume is hosted. So there are a lot of resume builder platform there is that you can explore on the internet. One of them is resume.io, which in only 2% of resumes make it past the first round. And if you wanted to create an awesome resume, you might want to click on this button right here and create an account. It's a very easy thing to do because all I have to do is click on this button. And these are going to be some templates that you can choose from. You have simple, ADS, modern, creative, professional. But if you wanted to hover to all the templates, all I have to do is select one. All right. That's one way. Or one of my favorite resume builder app is going to be Canva. Why? Because I'm really proficient and I'm comfortable using Canva. But if you have other platforms, that's okay. For example, this one right here. Okay, I'm going to type in maybe resume or probably in home. And then in the thousands of templates, type in resume and press enter. For example, I'm going to be using this Isabel. All right. So I'm going to click this customize this template option. And from here, I'm going to start building my PDF if you don't have a PDF yet. But of course, you might want to skip this step for now. Okay. So of course, I'm going to add more information here as I go along. That's going to be deep lefts. Right. So all right, so here I can put in the deep lefts YouTube link. All right. Okay, so I'm going to change another of this to the uploads. I'm going to use our thumbnail, put it here. So that's that. Now, for me to be able to link this specific resume to Squarespace, all I have to do is click on the share button on the upper right corner. There's going to be an option here that says see all. You see, click on the embed. Okay. When you click on embed, there's going to be two options. You can use the HTML embed code or the smart embed. Copy that and we're switching over to Squarespace. But before we switch to Squarespace, I'm going to show you another platform where you can, of course, build a resume apart from the resume.io, Canva, and this platform is called Elfsight. Okay, so all you have to do is go to the Elfsight website, which is elfsight.com. Once you have created your account, all you have to do is go to your profile, and there's going to be a section that says add a new app. If you don't have an app yet, you might want to click on the get all apps for 96%. But for now, we're going to add an app. And the app that we are looking for is going to be PDF. Now you can use two of them if you wanted. You can use PDF embed, wherein you can let people view and download PDF files right from your website, or the file embed, wherein you allow people view and download any kind of these formats. But for now, I'm going to use the PDF embed. Just wait for it to load. Now you might want to select the template that you wanted. So embed research, file list, and a lot more. I'm just going to select this one for now. Click on the continue with this template, and now it is asking for us to upload or add a PDF file as a sample PDF. What I'm going to do is, remember earlier we were working on the Canva to create a PDF resume. Now, apart from getting the embed code, there's also an option wherein we can download and click on the PDF standard. All right, and we're going to upload this to Elf site. So you have two options now. You can of course use the embed code from directly here in Canva, or use the embed code on the Elf site, whichever is comfortable to you. I'm just giving you options. All right. Once it's downloaded, I'm gonna switch over here and click on the add file. Click on add. Now you have two options: add a file URL or upload file, depending on your purposes. Now, once it's uploaded, okay, you can preview the image if you wanted. Then, now once you have that uploaded, click on publish. Okay, you can start with the free option, so you can test waters. Now, you simply can copy and paste this code into the desired place of your website, HTML editor, website template, theme, etc. You can simply copy code. Now, the reason I have shown you the Elf site, apart from Canva, is that it is integrated well with Squarespace. If you click on the Squarespace right here, all right, you would notice it will give you video tutorials for guidance. But of course, I want you to watch this video. Simply copy that code. Once you're logged into your Squarespace account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner, click on the account dashboard, and from here, go to the website that you wanted to link your resume into. All right? Just wait for it to load. And then from here, click on edit. All right, click on edit, because this is where I'm going to hover down below, where I can add another maybe add another block here. All right, and that's gonna be a link. All right, now you can use a content link, but I will suggest is you just select the code. Now in the code, all I have to do is click on the pencil icon, and on this, just paste the code that you have copied from Elf site. Right, once you've done that, as you can see, can display source code. If not, that's that. All right, so if you preview in safe mode, you would be able to see, you see that the link resume on Squarespace. All right, now I'm switching over again to the Canva, because I wanted to show you how we can also embed this one. I'm going to the embed link, this one, copy that and switch over again to Squarespace. I'm going to add another block, so you can see that we have you see this embed. Okay, going to put it here, embed a code or a URL, this one right here. Click on that. You can also put in a custom feature image, and that's how you link your resume on Squarespace. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.